Today's hearing of former Tripura Minister and top CPI-M leader Badal Choudhury in the alleged 600 crore PWD scam in the state has ended. We have reactions coming in from Badal Choudhury's lawyer. Let's listen in.
Choudhury was discharged from the AGMC and GBP hospital, and on his discharge at around 12 noon, the police authority brought him to the court, passing through this small distance at around 3:30 p.m. So there was a delay in producing him before the court, and as a result, the court had to sit beyond the court hours to hear our submissions. And so far, the submission made from our end, it was clearly mentioned, made to the court that from the day one, on the day of his arrest, and his taking the thumb impression on his arrest memo was actually not according to law. We prayed that his putting into police custody for close interrogation will simply cause his death. This is nothing more than that. It will be a gross violation of human rights. Accordingly, we made a submission that we don't pray for bail, but he should be allowed to be in the judicial custody where the police can go for close interrogation if they require. We will not interfere into it. Badal Choudhury is also ready to cooperate, but provided subject to he being allowed the medical advices as the hospital authority has placed on record in the discharge summary. Those medical facilities, including the regular physiotherapy and the other advices, should be strictly followed, and that can only be done at the JC, not in the police lockup. So this was our humble submission. The court has observed that the court will be passing in a very short time. It will be passing an interim order. The lengthy order or the entire order, whole order will be passed on later on.